Good. Uh-huh. Yeah. Great. Nice job, Beat. Name, say, count, play. That's whole notes. Loog Nation! Hey, I'm Mr. Will. This is my buddy Beat, and welcome to Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And if you're joining us, you know from the intro, we're working on a new note today, a whole note. We're going to learn how to name, say, count, and play it. That's the Loog Nation notation lesson. That's kind of hard to say. Let me try it again. The Loog Nation notation lesson. Woo, that's a mouthful. Yeah, Beat's been asking this question a lot. Why is it so important to learn how to read music notation? I'll tell you this, after 20 years of teaching privately, one-on-one with students, I have seen that learning how to read music is just as important as learning how to play music. They go hand in hand. In fact, music is a universal language. Universal. Yeah. That means the symbols that are used to read music for a guitar are the same as a piano and a trombone and
saxophone and clarinet and xylophone and even the voice.
Those are all just examples. I wasn't naming members of a band. Well, that would be a pretty wild band. Name, say, count, play. That's today's lesson. The Loog Nation notation lesson. And today our lesson is about a whole note. We've been building from quarter notes to half notes to now a whole note. What does it mean to be a whole note? Well, the whole note means that you're playing one note for the entire bar, the whole bar of music. And the reason we've waited until now is that it's really great for teaching chord structure or understanding counting. So let's get into it. There it is, a whole note. It looks really different than the others, right? There's no stem. It's just the note head. It's actually just like one big head. Yeah. The reason it doesn't have a stem is because you only play one strum and hold for the whole bar. So it doesn't need a stem to represent different parts of a bar. Pretty cool. Yeah, Beat, that's right. Name. Whole note. If you've been watching the other videos, you might know what I'm about to say. In music, there are a lot of ways to say notes, but we're going to use one that's known pretty well around the world. You may even learn how to say notes like this in your classes at school. Ta. Yeah. Ta. Go ahead, say it. Ta. That's pretty long, right? Ta. We're feeling 4 beats. That's how full a whole note is. 4 beats. Ta. Nice. Yeah, say. Now we know how to say whole notes. Okay, let's count whole notes. I think you can guess how we count whole notes. Ta. Yeah. 4. We count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine them being connected together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's all a part of the whole note. Yeah, that was kind of a pun. Count. That's right. Now we know how to count whole notes. Okay, what's left? Yeah, you all know. Play. We need to play whole notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab your Loog. Do it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we doing? Right, we're strumming once, but we're holding for 3 more beats. Just like the half note, I'm strumming and then missing the downbeat. So as we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, we're only strumming once. Strum, wait, 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 down, wait, 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 down, wait, wait, wait. All right, we did it. We know how to name, say, count, and play whole notes. Ready? Whole note. Ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, wait, wait, wait. Or down, hold, hold, hold. Awesome job, everyone. Time to grab your Learn the Loog Level 1 book. It's a coloring book. And open up to the page that looks like this. It's got the whole note and nothing else because it's your turn. Your turn to fill in all the information. Color in that whole note with your favorite color. Write in the information that we just learned. How to say it, how to count it, and how to play it. And this Learn the Loog Level 1 book is available for you on Amazon, and there's a link for that book in the description. Now know this, everything we're learning here on the YouTube channel is available in this book. This book is a chance for you to have some non-screen time and also support our channel. Every purchase goes towards us being able to make more videos for you here at Loog Nation. So thank you so much in advance for your purchase and your 5-star rating. Sweet. I want to help you play the songs that you want to learn. So please leave a comment below and let me know what songs you want to learn. It can be anything. I've been teaching for 20 years and I've learned so many different songs from so many different players. I'm excited to see what you have to say. Awesome job, everyone. Now you know how to read whole notes. You did it. We've got through our 4 major notes that we need to learn as a level 1 musician. I'm excited for you to stick around, so please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Know that Loog Nation is here every week, every Thursday for you. And if you ever have a question or a comment, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. I want you to enjoy playing music as much as I do. Oh yeah, and beat. We'll see you next time. Name, say, count, play. 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 1, 2.